Alright, I'm here with another layout, and my background is Battle cardstock. Because she doesn't want you to bother her, so leave her alone. The circle is cut from crepe paper Maggie Holmes Heritage, and then these 2x2 squares are cut from Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Truly Grateful 14, and then the yellow strip is Bella Boulevard's Home Sweet Home. You better not be trying to hurt her because you're mad at her. He gets mad and he tends to try to smack them or kick at them when he gets mad at the cat, or especially Ginger. It's like a brother and a sister. I need to get that white drawer back down so you'll sleep on it. Alright, so my photo mats are Amy Tangerine Slice of Life. And these are cut the opposite side as that sun pattern. And then the yellow strip, the opposite side is the mosaic tile. And then this purple strip is Maggie Holmes Heritage. Ginger trying to play with my strip. Pain. Mm-hmm. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to use these suede flowers, but Ginger, of course, she has other plans for them, yep. As I put them on, she tries to take them off. Pain in the tush. So she ends up getting the green and the orange to play with because she was being a pain. She comes back in a minute to try to steal them. And then Yes Together right now is American Crafts Truly Grateful stickers. I want to use those stickers up, so I'm using them as titles. Hey Ginger, leave. No, leave him alone. Here. Want your bag? And here's the wood accent stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studios office hours. And so I'm gonna use those up too. Sorry, patting my cup in your way. You can't do a whole lot of moving around on that shelf, Patton.
That's where you were. You're in the window.
Did I say anything? I can look wherever I want to look. So I'm also going to use some chipboard stickers, which are Pink Brush Studios office hours as well. I just peel the back off so they're not so dimensional. I like to layer, and with chipboard, you layer and layer, they become two-dimensional. So if I peel the backs off, they become just like a sticker. And then her, she's she's wanting those, and it's like, come on, you have the blue. I gave her the blue one. So I'm having to cover it with that to keep her from getting it. I'm trying to get her interested in the blue one. I throw it in my iris container, and she gets inside to play, but she's like, no. So I can continue. See, and she's back. Put this blanket on my legs. I'll get hot as soon as I start to vacuum. Oh man, I'm gonna sneeze again. Excuse me. Oh. Yeah. I'm also going to use some gold enamel dots. They're like a gold glitter that are Pink Brush Studio, just a little lovely. They came, I believe they came with the wood accent stickers. She's still trying to get my flowers. Oh, now how quickly I'm reminded why I don't get kittens and puppies. I don't even think Patton was quite as bad as she is. Alright, so I'm going to do some splatters, and Ginger's going to watch the whole process. And I do thank you for watching and putting up with all the interruptions. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.